Should personal injury protection be primary or secondary? Now, this is something that has come up on your website. People have asked you about it. And what does that mean exactly?
So personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP, is an automobile insurance coverage. Yeah, there's some personal injury coverage on your homeowners, but what we talk about really is based on your personal automobile insurance. Personal injury protection could be primary, or it can be secondary. And there's statutory limits with respect to the state that we're in. So given we're in New Jersey, there's a limit of $250,000 for personal injury protection available on the automobile policy. And it is recommended, especially by me, to have that full $250,000 of coverage on your automobile policy. You'll find that oftentimes some insurance companies out there will reduce that personal injury protection to make it in line with lower limits of liability, which then reduces the cost of the insurance policy. Some will have it be primary and others will have it be secondary. Now, in order for personal injury protection to be secondary, you need to have a qualifying medical insurance plan, and then you use your health insurance if you have an automobile accident as your primary coverage. And then if there's secondary needs, the auto insurance will pick up secondary. So using personal injury protection, health insurance primary, so PIP secondary, is another way to reduce your automobile insurance costs. My recommendation to most people is we keep the $250,000 limit, especially in the state of New Jersey, and we keep it primary. The reason I like to keep the automobile insurance personal injury protection as primary is not because I'm going to make an extra $3 of commission. It's because the care that you can receive using the personal injury protection primary through the automobile insurance is better than that of your medical insurance. You'll be able to get chiropractic and physical therapy. You have fewer limitations with respect to doctors and networks with respect to care that you're going to be receiving. So you have a broader ability in most cases to get better coverage through your automobile carrier, and get additional coverage through the automobile carrier than you would if you were using your primary insurance, your health insurance, for that automobile care. For instance, I pay chiropractic cash out of pocket because I don't have a good chiropractic benefit on my health insurance. If I had an automobile accident and I needed chiropractic care for a continuing and ongoing basis, well, that auto insurance coverage would then pay for that chiropractic care because it was due to an experience that I had while driving my car. Now, I said that poorly because I said an experience that I had while driving my car. Let's make sure there's an accident involved.
Okay, good point.
Not just an experience that you're having in your car that says, "Oh, my back hurts because I drive too much." We need to have some type of accident. In addition to the automobile coverage, if you're a pedestrian and you get hit by a car, or if you're a bicyclist and you get hit by a car, you can tap in to your automobile coverage for this personal injury protection to help cover those bills. Why do I know that? Because I got hit by a car while I was on my bike, and I put the claim in to my car insurance under the personal injury protection coverage to get all my medical bills paid for at that time. It's a very high deductible health insurance. So instead of using the medical insurance and then having to pay that huge deductible, we use the auto insurance, and then we didn't have to pay that huge $5,000 deductible that I had on the health insurance. So there's many benefits for that personal injury protection to be primary, but there's also many reasons what will allow the health insurance to be primary and let the PIP be secondary. But as a business practice, we will never reduce from that $250,000 limit. We don't want to have that traumatic, horrific accident occur and then have to tell somebody they have limited benefit because, they wanted to save 15% on their car insurance.